This simple video will illustrate very clearly the functioning of the single international catalog. The yellow circle represents the world, and the sky blue circles represent the various real estate websites. The graph shows very simply that there are many real estate websites in the world, and that they vary in size and importance. They may even be millions. The green dot represents the potential customer who is looking for a property to buy, and the blue dot represents the seller. To increase the visibility of the properties, the seller tries to put them in as many sites as possible. For the same reason, the customer, to find the right property, is forced to look for in as many sites as possible. Let's now imagine that you have a single container, which can publish all the properties in the world. A sort of universal collection at the service of the whole world. Rustici.com has created it, and in our graph it is represented by the red circle. This means that every seller in the world can enter into it all their properties for sale. Such a mechanism is also extraordinarily useful to the customer, and so can do a single search sure of viewing all the properties available simultaneously. Rustici.com does not just create a single catalog, but also provides an incredibly simple and powerful way to make the perfect search with just one click. In the image we have now in front, we can see how sellers of the properties usually behave. They make all the possible efforts to publish their proposals in the various sites on the internet. All this requires a huge commitment in terms of time and money. Subsequently, we also see how those looking for a property to buy behave. In this case too, a huge amount of time is required if you want to make a serious search among all the offers available in the market. Let's now ask ourselves, how high is the probability that a customer among millions and a seller among millions can meet? Really very low. Finally, let's look at the mechanism of the single international catalog. All the sellers of the world can gather their offers together in it, and the customer can examine and compare all of them with a single search, extracting the precise property with just one click, taking time a few seconds.